Hello friends, welcome to this channel. In this video, I will tell you and show you how you can see recently viewed videos in the Instagram app. Friends, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also please put your likes under this video and write your comments after watching. So let us get started with you. Open the Instagram app on your device and then, friends, so that you can see the different videos. You will need to go to this part right here. And here you will be able to see the clips, scroll through them, and then, for example, you can also like them, save them, and so on. But where do you see the old videos that you may have liked and would like to revisit? Please go to your account. Now on the top right, please click on the three bars. Next, when you open your settings, scroll down and select your activity section. Here, select the likes option, and you can see here all the posts and reels that you've previously liked, and you can scroll down and look at those posts specifically. You can also click on a specific type of content and select, for example, just reels. That way, you're left with just videos. Similarly, you can also go to the Save section. And also here you can see all the posts and find the saved reels. Unfortunately, you won't be able to find the entire viewing history in your account settings, as Instagram doesn't provide this. Only if you left a comment, liked, or saved some reels. Only in this way you will be able to find it. That's how, friends, you will be able to see recently viewed reels on Instagram. I hope the video has been helpful for you. Don't forget to please subscribe to the channel, put likes, and write comments. See you around, friends.